In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from your Telegram wallet to your bank account. So this is really easy thing to do. So to transfer money from your Telegram wallet to your bank account, you have to follow some steps. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Now open your Telegram account here. On the top left side corner, you will see the wallet option. Now go and click launch the Telegram app wallet here. In the wallet section, select the P2P market option. This is where you can buy or sell cryptocurrencies directly with other users here. You can see here P2P market, click on get started. Now tap on this sell, right? So of course you need to have something on the asset, then only you can sell it up. Now once you sell option to initiate the process of converting your cryptocurrencies into fiat currency, right? And you can select your currency here. So in my case it's euro. Right now select the cryptocurrency you want to sell, for example USDT, BTC, Ethereum. Ensure you have enough balance in your wallet for the transaction. Choose a payment method that suits you. Option may include bank transfer like SEPA or other payment platforms. Make sure to add your bank account details if you haven't done so already. Enter the amount you wish to sell and confirm the transaction. The system will display buyer who are willingly to purchase your cryptocurrencies at the current rate. Select a buyer based on the payment method and reputation. Once the payment is confirmed, withdraw your funds, and this is how you can do so. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.